Now, I don't normally make videos like this because I don't like fear-mongering type videos, but when I see something coming, I feel like I should tell you. And according to the nationalbeefwire.com, lean ground beef last month passed $8 a pound for the first time in history. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's no big deal. Prices have been going up for, well, ever. And at some point, it's always going to be the first time in history. But the problem is it's gone up over $1.20 a pound since July, and we haven't even hit the worst of it yet. A couple of years ago, we did a video about the drought. We had the driest June that they had ever recorded. Now, that's 130 years of history, not for all of time, but you get the idea. And what that did was cause hay prices to skyrocket. And many ranchers simply sold everything and got out. Our ranchers are an aging population, much like our farmers. And instead of paying for the hay prices to sustain their cattle, they sold them all and got out. So this is part of the problem. The other problem is there are ranchers right now, because of how expensive beef is getting, who are selling and getting out. So we had a shortage a few years ago, and now that shortage is being compounded, and it's only going to get worse here in the near future because it takes roughly 2 to 3 years for supply to catch up with demand. We have a supply shortage right now. If you got a cow pregnant tomorrow, it's 9-month gestation, and then if you grain feed them, it's about 18 months. And if you raise them on grass, 2 years is how long it takes for them to get to market weight. So that means that if one of my girls got pregnant tomorrow, it would be 9 months before that calf is born, and then at least 2 years before they were butcher ready. Now maybe you say, well, that really doesn't affect you because you're not a rancher, you're raising beef for your own family. That is $3,000 sitting in my field, 2 calves. Beef prices wholesale right now are roughly $3 a pound live weight for calves. This is crazy. When we started doing this 4 years ago, the first cows that we bought that were not the purebred Dexter, but that were just beef cattle for us to raise and eat and butcher, no breeding, no special breeds, no nothing, we paid $500 for 1 cow. Now it's $1,500 for 1 calf. It has gone up 3 times in 4 years. So that price has not hit the market yet. One of them decided it was perfect time to relieve themselves. So what can you do? I like to have something for people to do, and I would say stock up on beef if you can. But it's so expensive retail. Now, you might be able to find some people who are still selling beef, small producers, at a reasonable price. And that price actually might be cheaper than retail at the moment. This is not a commercial for my friend Nick Ferris over at Central Virginia Custom Meats, but I know that he raises his own cows and he butchers them, so he's able to eliminate some of those costs. So if you look up Central Virginia Custom Meats on Facebook, you will find somebody who is selling beef. I would find a local producer in your area and see if you can now buy some beef, because I'm gonna have to get 3 cows for my family for roughly 1 year's worth of beef. That's how much my family of 5 eats, about 3 cows. And it's not as much as you think it is in terms of weight, not in terms of price. So that means it's going to cost me initially $4,500 just to buy the calves. We're not talking about the land, the fences, the trailers, the trucks, the hay, the inputs, or any of those things. We're not talking about the butchering prices either. So 3 cows for my family, I'm looking at a minimum of $6,500 to $7,000 to raise my own beef for my family for 1 year. That's nuts. Now, I get all of the wonderful cuts that go with it, right? I get filet mignon that is grass raised and all these other things. And if you were to buy those retail in the store, that would be crazy. Can you buy cheaper retail cuts and not spend as much? Yes, you could. But that's also crazy, that it costs you more to raise your own food and eat well. But if I were you, I would find a local producer, see if they have any whole or half cows available, find out what those prices are, and keep in the back of your mind that lean ground beef is over $8 a pound. Now, before you say, well, you doing this video is going to cause a scarcity because there's going to be an uptick in people that are going out and doing it and supply is going to go down and you're going to drive demand up. In reality, not that many people are going to watch this video. And even if they did, not that many people are in a position to go buy beef from their local producers. It won't make that much difference in the grand scheme of prices, but it might make a big difference to you. And you know what happens when the good things like beef get expensive, right? Pork goes up because people who were buying beef start buying pork or chicken. So just be mindful that even more increases are on the way. And if you have the ability, it might be a good time to stock up. It's an old Chinese saying that says the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. I think this applies when you're trying to prepare with food. So keep that in mind. Please stay safe out there. My name is Brian. This is Planted Farms. Keep growing as you grow. We'll see you next time. Bye.